In this video, I will show you how to set up YouTube parental controls. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, parental controls can be enabled on YouTube to prevent certain content from being accessed and limited. Now, to do this, what you want to do is come across to youtube.com and you want to make sure you've got a YouTube account. Now, once you've done that, you want to sign into your account. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and from here you want to come down to where it says restricted mode. Give that a click. Now, as you can see, this helps hide potentially mature videos, but no filter is 100% accurate. And just to note that this setting only applies to this browser, so if you do use different internet browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox and Edge, make sure you do this on each individual browser. Now, all you need to do is simply turn the switch on, just like so. And once you've done that, the page is going to refresh and the results are going to be filtered so that the content is more appropriate and age friendly. Now, if you are on a mobile device, there is also an app which has been made specifically for kids, which is called YouTube Kids. So what you can also do is, if you're using this on a mobile device, if you go onto the Play Store if you're on Android, or of course the iTunes Store if you're on iPhone, and you just want to search for YT Kids or YouTube Kids, you will find an app from YouTube which is made specifically for kids, and you can even set the age limit for the type of content that gets shown. So that is how to set up YouTube parental controls. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.